it's Gina from WTI. If you don't have a cashmere throw in your life, then you are seriously missing out. Not just any cashmere throw will do. You need one that is super high quality. This cashmere throw blanket from EP Mode is so soft and luxurious, it's really hard to not just snuggle up and take a nap every time I'm around it. This is 100% pure cashmere. The weave on it is solid, it's not see-through, and you can tell that this was just made from top quality cashmere, not short hair but long hair to make it, otherwise it would be itchy and scratchy, and this just feels amazing on your skin. It's very well made, right down to the tassels that are on it. They don't get tangled and there's no fraying or breaking of the threads. This premium cashmere throw looks amazing on the couch as a really pretty accent with its light heather gray color, or I like it on the bed as well. It really is very versatile and you could use it in any area of your home. I love to cozy up with it when I'm on the couch reading or watching TV, drinking my tea. It's lightweight but warm. It's just the perfect throw. If you want to indulge yourself in something that is just gorgeous, I highly recommend this cashmere throw from EP Mode. I absolutely love it, and that's my point of view.